So a lot of you guys are probably wondering what the heck is in this box. I had to open it up myself because I wasn't even expecting this today. I forgot this was even sent to me. So I got a message on Instagram from Maxpeedingrods. I know you guys are probably seeing it all over YouTube and stuff like that. Long story short, she sent me a link to her website. So I browsed through their website, but I have a lot of stuff for the RSX already. Everything is pretty much covered on that car. But on the EM2, we're still missing quite a few things. So I figured we'd pick out this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing, which I already opened that at home, but only because I didn't know we were gonna be receiving this. So here's a piece right here. This will be a straight giveaway for you guys as far as what we picked out. So it's all billet, made pretty nice just from the looks of it. Looks like all the hardware is there. So that's that. That looks pretty good. It includes all the tools, I believe, that we're gonna need. So that's a pretty cool, that's pretty cool actually. And then you guys can already tell from that other piece what we got. So we ended up picking this out. So the packaging is pretty good, so I'll give that a thumbs up. Nothing is damaged. It all looks like it's intact. Yeah, nothing's loose or anything or broken, so thumbs up on the packaging. It looks like they put some white lithium in there, so that's pretty cool. It doesn't squeak or anything. Hold up, guys. Yeah, it doesn't look like it squeaks. It's pretty solid. And you guys already know the original one is the K2 one. And I've never tried that one, so I don't really know what to expect. I do have my own short shifter on the RSX, but it utilizes the stock box, and this one seems to bring everything you need. Looking at the side, looks pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. I'm kind of impressed with this. The only thing I don't see is the bushings, but maybe we can use the stock ones, I believe. I don't know. I've never owned one of these. We got a flat side right here. Got a flat side, so I believe the screws are here, so this has got to go like that. Let's go ahead and tighten that. All right, so this is pretty tight already. It looks good. Let's go ahead and double check their tightness on their end. These should be pretty tight already. All right, so that's good. I guess since we're here, we might as well check these over here on the side. Because why not? Make sure these are tight. All right, so those definitely need to be tightened. So we'll go through this, tighten everything. We're not gonna go too crazy because we don't want to strip these. The top part is good. Let's go ahead and check the bottom. Let's double check everything. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Big one here. All right, that looks good. So yeah, this is feeling pretty good so far. All right, so let's bring this over here and compare it. I brought these over here, so we'll go ahead and compare these. This is the one that was on the EM2. So this is the EM2 box right here. That's the EM2 one, and comparing it to this one, you guys see how this one snaps back. It's got some tension on there, so that's a plus right there. And then this is the RSX Type S one, so it's not as snappy. Let's get this thing out of here. That thing's junk. Maxpeedingrod, and this is the RSX Type S. It's got a lot of play, as you guys can tell. And then this one's just real snappy. That's the comparison. Now, there's one question I have. This one doesn't have like the screws, doesn't have like screws to come with it. And it doesn't have like the bushings, I believe, that go in here. Let's see if we can take these out. These out. Yeah, these come out. Let's see if we can reuse them here. All right, I think that'll work, guys. So we'll take these out of here. So all you do is push these out, take the bushing out, slide this in. That's gonna go in there just like that, and then you slide this underneath. All right guys, I think we're all set. We're gonna be reusing these shifter cables, so let's go ahead and remove them off of here. Let's pull this off. All right, there's that. Let's install this, I guess, since we just did it. I think it goes like that. Go ahead, hit that in. Then this is gonna go in here. All right, so now we're gonna do this side. All right, this comes out. Put this in so we don't lose it. And then turn up, I guess. So this one screws into the billet, but it also has a nut, so I think it's just a security measure. Screw it back in. So I'm gonna get this on here. All right, that's on there. Let's go ahead and tighten this one. We're good down here. All right, this is all tight. This is in place. That's all good. All right, so we'll bring it over here. This does look pretty cool, man, for being like what it is. You know, it's not the usual like products that we use, but it is pretty cool. All right, so shifter, I got the light set up so you guys can see a little better. So we'll throw those in through there. Put this in here. I got the 4 screws here. So these are off the stock car or whatever. These are just gonna be reused. So this should line right up. So far for install, I'd have to give it a 10 because I've had 0 issues. I'm trying to do like an honest review for you guys and for them in case they gotta fix anything. All right, I think that's in, guys. We're in. So we still got to clean these. These are they're pretty nasty, honestly. I'll be honest with you guys. See if we can, we might have to take these shifter cables back off. I think if we use some type of like rust remover or something and then maybe prime it and paint it, it should be all right. I think it's just, you know, water corrosion and all that stuff from it being on the engine bay. From it being in the engine bay for like, I don't know, probably 18 years because the car was an 02 RSX. So yeah, these are pretty corroded, but yeah, we'll deal with that some other day. This one should go here, that should go there, this should go here, and then this should go in there. All right, so quick update. This is about maybe 3 weeks later. We've installed a lot more stuff on the car, but I want to keep that a secret. That'll be like, you know, next video or whatever. But I want to show you guys a shifter cable bracket. I got the shifter cables all mounted up. Everything is all good. This is here. I might change like the bushing or whatever this thing is called on the inside. I do have them. I have like some knockoff ones, and I also have like some OEM parts. Hold up, let me see. They might be over here somewhere. I got a little bit of a mess now again, but yeah, I got a lot of like the parts to like rebuild the original ones, like a lot of the paper like washers, this stuff that I ordered in case I was gonna keep it. I wasn't sure. It was like super cheap. You're talking like 50 cents and stuff for like that stuff. But anyways, it's all in. The only issue I had, which I couldn't figure out, and I did end up figuring it out, just like trial and error and just looking around, was that I had it on the K-Tune like race spec for their shifter cables on this one, and that was not allowing the cables to reach like the shifter. Like it wasn't sitting right, so I actually moved them this way and moved also this one over here, moved it back, and we're all good now. It even took me to go back like to the RSX because I have like the same shifter cable bracket and take a look, and I took a picture, and that's how I noticed that I had installed them wrong. So I'll bring you guys over here. So we started messing around with the ECU. I started taking all that out so you guys will see that, but everything is good now. It goes right back to center. Everything is good. It's all going into gears. So far everything is good. This is like a little update. There's a reverse right there. You guys can probably hear it. Hold up. So yeah, everything is good so far, and we still have to do a review on this. So once we drive it and stuff, I'll give you guys like a true review, but so far it's good, man. So shout outs to Maxpeedingrods for sending us over and, I don't know, being part of the build or whatever so far. And I'll give you guys more of an update once we start driving it, but I want to at least get this video out because they sent this out to me, and I don't want to wait too long before I get the car driving and then actually make the video and put it together. So just a little update on this. This is 3 weeks later and everything is good, man. Give you guys a little closer look. Bolted up real nice. So overall, not bad, man. I'm really happy with how the fitment was on this. And you guys already know I'm super picky with the parts we've been putting on this car. So for me to give you a complete update on this car, I will have to just get this thing running. So everyone's just waiting on us to finish this and put this car together. Hopefully you guys like this review. Again, you can reach out to them on Instagram. You guys will find them, Maxpeedingrods. There's a website as well. They got a bunch of products for like, not just the RSX, but they have a bunch of products for pretty much every car. It was probably like 5 days and I got this part. So it was pretty quick. Communication was pretty easy and I didn't have any issues on that either. So shout outs to them. I'll leave a link in the description to their website. You guys can go check it out. And guys, I got this shifter today and I was trying to get the review done as soon as possible, because when someone contributes something to your car, even though it's not like all the makers that we like or the companies and stuff, but when someone gives you something free and actually just for a review and exchange, you have to go ahead and take the time to do that, you know. So shout outs to them, Maxpeedingrods. I will be giving you guys an update when we start driving and stuff. Again, we got a lot of stuff to do, but I want to get this review out the way for them and make sure I do my part. So thank you guys for subscribing, for leaving comments on the videos. I appreciate it. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe. You guys already know what to do. Hit the like button. I'm out of here, guys. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Everyone be safe. Take care. Peace.